Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today, if you couldn't tell by the title, I'm going to be doing the Bratz challenge, transforming myself into a Bratz doll. And you'll have to tell me if it was a hit or a miss, and I should just not try a challenge like this ever again. But I'm just so excited to do this video, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And then okay, all right, let's go. Hey y'all, so let's get into the video. Before we get started, I need to put on some lip stuff because my lips are dry and I want them to be extra plump. I'm using the Too Faced lip injection. If you haven't seen my video where I talk about this stuff, be sure to check that out in the description below. I'm so excited for this video because it's different and it's a trend in the beauty community right now, and I'm doing it just because I wanted to try it out and see if I can actually do it. So there's like two types. Some people are making their eyes super Bratzy, and then some people are just doing the makeup and the hair and the outfits. I'm just gonna do the makeup similar to the Bratz doll, and then the hair as well. And then I have on the top that's similar to the Bratz doll that I'm gonna be doing. So I'll be sure to also put this on the screen. But this is the one I'm going to be doing. I like her two puffs, and the makeup look is super easy, and I happen to have the rhinestones. So let's go. We got to do our eyebrows, and Bratz have very skinny eyebrows, and so I didn't feel like I needed to really cover my eyebrows to be able to draw them on. I'm just going to outline what I already have and make them a little bit more dramatic. Look at this, straight out. No curve or tip at the end. I'm just going to be doing them straight out like a Bratzy. See, very straight out. Okay, next I'm going to prime my face because I have oily skin. So I'm going to be using this product from e.l.f. This is like a prep and blur stick. So I want to make sure that my skin is matte, so when I can make the glow. So look at this difference already. So this side, nothing. This side, the prep and blur stick, and I am loving it. This is actually my first time using it, but I heard really good stuff. And look, you can already tell that my skin is way more mattified than it would have been if I didn't apply that. So before I apply my foundation, I do want to add back some glow because these Bratz dolls' faces have a lot of glow. And so I'm going to be using this product. This product I will also put on the screen, but I talk about this product in my most recent video, so be sure to check it out. This is just going to add a little natural glow to the skin. Look at that. Yes. And the reason why I mattified it at first because I wanted to create the glow, like I said. Next, we're going to do my eyes. Okay, now for real. So I couldn't find my P. Louise eyeshadow base, so I'm just going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyes. I debated about whether or not I should do this live and talk through it, or if I should do a voiceover. And I think I'm going to do it live and then speed up the parts where I'm not talking. Okay, so for my eyes, I went ahead and I brought my concealer all the way up underneath my eyes. And so I'm going to be setting it with this. I'm going to be using the Perception ColourPop palette. And to set my eyes, I'm actually going to be using this color here. And this I'm just going to set all over my eyes. And I'm even going to bring it up high underneath. But the reason why I'm bringing this up so high is because the Bratz doll's eyebrows, you know, are very exaggerated at the top and very high. So I'm just making sure I'm bringing this color all the way up. So next we have this reddish color. So I'm going to be using Revenge here in my crease. And so this kind of starts here and comes out. And I'm going to bring this all the way out. How's it looking so far, y'all? I'm gonna do this one on camera and then do the other one off camera. So like I said, I'm bringing this up to open my eye to look wider. And then I'm gonna bring it down underneath, well, right here for now. And so I'll be sure to clean that up, but this is what we have so far. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit more concealer to do like a cut crease on my eye. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and then take a flat brush and create like a cut crease, but a very low cut crease. And I'm gonna actually bring it all the way. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to be taking another flat brush and I'm going to use this unbothered color here to create the outline of this other shadow. I need to look at the picture again to see my eyeshadow, but I think it's looking good so far. Next, I'm going to be taking some eyeliner, and there's kind of two lines this Bratz doll has. So she has one line right above. It starts in the inner corner. And comes out like that. Then there's a dramatic cat, or a dramatic liner that kind of starts here, like way thicker than I usually draw on my eyeliner. So I have two eyeliners. I have like a liquid eyeliner, but then I also have one with the felt tip, and I think I'm going to use a little bit of this one to fill this in, because it kind of has like a curve on it. This is really hard to like talk and do at the same time. Okay, well now I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the other eye. Okay, while I was off camera, I did my other eye, and of course I liked this eye better. But anyways, I also put on a little foundation, because you've seen a foundation routine multiple times. But while my eyelashes dry, I thought we could go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes. So the Bratz doll, they don't really have like a highlight or really like a really in-depth contour. They do have like a little, I mean, it's a Barbie face, so I need to contour my face a little bit, and we're gonna do that using this Born This Way concealer. And this is just to bronze up my face a little bit, and I almost wanted to look more slim, so I like to start at my cheekbones, and then when I blend it out, I kind of blend it out in the whole section like this. So you do like a stippling effect, and then this way I'm able to bring some of the product away from my face or to the outer portion of my face. This is just helping to get some color. Because right now you can just see it's kind of all over, but I want this to look a little sharper so that I look like I have a real Barbie face, you know what I'm saying? So for that, I'm actually just going to use some powder that I need to grab. Powders get everywhere, but I'm going to be using this Benai banana powder, and just put a little bit. I don't need like a lot of powder. I just want enough to clean up my contour. Okay, so I don't need much, but as you can see, it's setting. And I'm gonna throw on my eyelashes. So you want your eyelashes to be, I mean, all the Bratz dolls have like really dramatic lashes like these, or even more dramatic. Okay, so for my bottom, I'm gonna be using this angled brush with this red color to put underneath my eye. I'm gonna do a little bit more dramatic. Then I have my eyeliner. I'm gonna use this mascara from Buxom mascara, and I'm gonna load up the mascara. Load it up. Hey, and I still look like myself, kinda. But if you watch my videos, you know what I'll be doing. Like, I don't really wear eyeliner anymore, just because I don't have the patience. Okay, favorite part. We're gonna set our face before we move on to the favorite part, which is the highlighter. Gotta make sure we throw on some powder. Let me tell you, I did not practice this look before. I'm doing this on the spot, so I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna be using an old fave. I have a lot of highlighters, but I'm gonna be using this one from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I'm just making a mess, let me tell y'all. I just got makeup everywhere and everything. Let's get to the highlight. Random brush. I'm gonna be using this color to really just give myself some glow. It's gonna be less like a stripe. I really want it just all in this area. All on the nose. Speaking of nose, I don't have like a wide nose, but I do want to make it a little slimmer, like a Barbie nose. Ooh, yes. Thinking a little bit on my nose, more on the nose. Now we gotta do our nose contour, and I need a powder for this. So I got all these brushes, but I can never find a brush when I actually need a brush. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be using the It's My Ray palette from BH Cosmetics and this thick brush because I can't seem to find any of my other brushes. But I'm gonna really sculpt. Bam. All right, I lied. I thought the highlighter was my favorite part, but it's actually gonna be the lips. I'm gonna be using this NYX liner, this darker color. This Bratz doll has like a darker colored lip. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the lipstick. I'm gonna be using the Sephora lipstick in the shade Wanderlust. So here is the finished makeup look. Now we gotta get our hair ready. I'm gonna be doing the 2 puff balls like she has in her photo. I wonder what I was using on my hair. It smells good. And I'm just gonna, my hair has been in a bun for a few days. Okay, who am I kidding? Not a few days, a long time. But I have 2 hair ties, and I'm just gonna kind of split this down the middle. Some water to get this poof going. Well, while that sits, we're gonna do the other side. And I'm leaving these out because she kind of has like a bang. And so I need to create a bang after I create my poofs. Oh, let's compare. One thing I can already see is that her poof balls are like, oh, and one thing I forgot, and I need to put on the rhinestones. So I'm gonna use a little eyelash glue. It's okay, girl. And then I have on this white top similar to what she has on, and it's the whole vibe. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to leave a comment if you think it was a hit or miss for your girl. I will not be hurt at all. It was a little different for me. I hardly do the challenges, but I was like, this one might be fun, you know, taking it back, you know, into town. So be sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!